lad. Nice parking, not. Massive space you could have gone into, lazy bastard. Massive space you could have gone into, lazy bastard. Tell you when he was flying.
Spray some perfume.
It needs to clean. It needs to spray some perfume.
Are you for real?
Scrape
They
it.
always do that, always. They don't even care anymore. Don't do that, I've got a ticket.
So you don't like me pulling out on you even though I have more to move. Now your tailgate. All because he wanted to get one. Can't have it in front of me.
They could do it putting some priority markings here. Oh, Jesus. That's it.
Cool, but the devil, that's glamour. That
Why are you indicating
is
like?
that.
I like the out, but why?
That's
Oh
cool.
no, it's a spray on.
That's you.
You turning left at Ben Johnson? Oh!
And that's
What a manoeuvre!
and I go,
Oh, somebody's cut him up!
What was that?
I was wondering what's he going to gain? He's got a red light coming out of there as well, that Range Rover. He's trying to do the shortcut behind us. What? He'll come out behind us now. He's got a red light coming out of there as well, that Range Rover. So that's 150,000 miles a year. So that'll probably have done 80,000 miles, and he'll say it's lower mileage. Well done.
Will be coming over to spend the time with default.
Young kid in a course, I bet you. Should we be messing with settings?
Why is there a sofa? It's a tiny chair. It's Mum's chair.
It's a chair for your mum!
It's a chair for ants.
Where's there a sofa? It's a tiny chair! I'll let the big lad through. Come on. Because once he comes through, the cars are fine. Proper wave! Oh, I love you!
Maybe like them or not because it's our dream job, but because we have to feed our children and have a roof over our head and so on, and pay for university.
Just don't. People think you're overtaking them when you're pushing in. It's a 30-mile-an-hour road. I'm doing about 29. You're supposed to use both lanes in congested conditions. Everybody's just in the first lane. There's a merge point up ahead. There's no issue whatsoever to use this lane and merge. Right, is this a young lad in the car, sir? I sense he won't want to let me in. No, TT came round. Go on then, I'll let you in, I'll drop behind you. No, I'm not pushing in. You can do 30, mate. You know, you were doing it down that dual carriageway. You don't have to do 22 mile an hour now. Maybe 24. That's what you get for driving into a space instead of reversing into a space. You're stuck, dumbass! And I'm on my way home! Bye-bye! And I'm on my way home. Bye bye. So many dickheads in one short space of time. What have you stopped for? You've just stopped in the middle of a junction.
No, you're all bonkers here because nobody can get past this there now.
You're a bonkers too. Oh no, you're not.
See? Because he's gone so far over, he needs to move.
Waiter, move. Move your ass. It's not you, mate, it's Waiter.
What is he doing? Because he can't get past.
And now they're coming. Oops.
Go. He's put me in a really inconvenient position. He's just gone through red. Oh, Jesus! Just run red. Tomorrow.
A few weeks ago, I never had this much pressure. And
What
now,
are you doing?
they expect me to test left, right, and centre.
Was she indicating left then?
Right, let's see how many of these people coming down here want this lane. You get loads of them doing it in truck. I'm thinking this Golf wants this lane. Do you know why? Because he's hovering,
Yeah.
right? He's looking in his mirror.
Well, let him in.
Well, I'll let him in if you indicate.
Indicate, mate.
He's coming in. Look.
Yeah.
Watch. There you go. He thinks he's John Cena, like S770 and
He might just be like that.
get them all bikes there, you know they're all because they've got black and silver number plate. Whoa, did you see that? Straight across the chevrons. Alexis.
What, the Cena?
No, that was the Golf.
Oh, was
Larry Lexus it was. That's two. I'll tell you what, Susan. Seriously. How do you not see stuff like this?
I don't know.
You do know I'm having these clips after, don't you?
Only got 3 minutes, Dave.
And it's really important that they know they can go for help, but it's also important to know that actually a lot of women don't. They actually go through it relatively easily.
Too close, that's
and
your problem, pal. Right. Flying, what are you doing? Right, you're going to speed up to a red light. And you gained what? Postman Pat's got a bit sexier.
He's run it now.
He stole it. Oh, that's funny.
He needs it.